Hi friends, this is going to be week 2, day 4, I almost said day 3, day 4 math lesson. And today we are on lesson 4 of our math problem, which is really exciting because we're moving and grooving along with math. So we're going to play a couple counting number games with our fingers. So show me your hand. Remember, I told you that when we count in math in kindergarten, we count a special way because we start with our pinky, which is kind of different, right? We don't usually start counting with our pinky. Most people start counting with their first finger. So we start with our pinky. So when we say 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5. I want you to give it a try. Hold up your pinky. 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice job. I'm going to hold up fingers, and I want you to tell me how many I'm holding up. Okay? I'm not going to go in order. So I'm going to try and trick you because I'm going to flash different fingers. Are you ready to watch really carefully? And you're going to shout out the number. 1, 2, 4, 5, 2 again, 3, 1, 4, 5, 2, 5, 1, 5. Now, I'm going to say a number, and I want you to show me the number on your hand. Try and do it the special math way. Ready? Show me 1. Show me 2. Show me 3. Show me 2. Show me 3. Show me 4. Show me 2. Show me 4. Show me 5. Show me 1. Show me 5. Show me 2. Nice job, friend. You are pretty good at that. Today in our lesson, you are going to watch, there's going to be a second video, Mrs. Arwood's video, and she's going to talk a lot about classifying items into different categories. So sorting items into different categories. That's going to be the focus of math today. Making 2 groups out of items. So if you have a handful of items, how can you group them? That's what we're going to talk about today. Our workbook page is going to be pretty fun. You're going to need some supplies for our workbook page today. You're going to need scissors and glue, just so you are aware. Before you watch Mrs. Arwood's video, I want you to flip open and we're going to do our application problem together. So flip open to page 15. So you're going to flip open to page 15. This is in our Blue Learn book. And page 15, remember this has flowers on it. The directions for the flowers say, color the flowers so that they are exactly the same. Exactly the same. So if you color one flower purple, you have to color the other flower purple, right? I want to challenge you a little bit, and I want you to use more than just one color on these flowers. I'm going to use this color green on the stem of the flower and the leaf of the flower. And if I use the green on the stem and the leaf of one flower, I have to do it the exact same on the other flower. So I'm going to make the stem and the same leaf, that color green that I'm using right now. So, you see what I did? I did the stem and I did one leaf and I did the same exact leaf on the other flower, right? And the stem. I'm going to do something super silly. Are you ready? I'm going to use a second green color and I'm going to use it to color the second leaf a different color. So if I color this leaf a different green, now remember friend, you can color whatever colors you want. If I color this a dark green, what color do I have to color this leaf? That same green, right? I have to use this color on this leaf too, because it has to look exactly the same. That's the direction. And we follow the directions, especially when we have directions in our math workbook, right? Okay, now on to my flower. The middle of my flower and the petals. I think I'm going to use this orange for the middle of the flower. It's kind of a dark orange. And since I colored the middle of my flower orange, I have to color the other middle of the flower orange, right? Right. And now my petals. You can make your petals, friends, as fancy as you want, but remember, it has to be exactly the same. I think I'm just going to use one color for all of the petals. So I'm going to use this blue greenish color. You might choose to make a pattern with your petals or even make some designs on your petals. But whatever you do on one flower, you have to do it the same way on the other flower. So if you draw polka dots on one flower, you have to draw the same polka dots on the second flower, right? So I colored all of these petals this blue color, and now I have to do all of them on the second flower to make it exactly the same. I'm almost done. Make sure you have that good pencil grip on your crayon. You're not holding it in a silly way. We want to make sure we're building up our hand muscle, right? Making it strong. Now, if you wanted to do something a little crazy, you can take maybe you wanted to take another, uh-oh. My phone just fell down. Sorry, friends. Here we go. Maybe I wanted to take, and I wanted to draw stripes on one petal. So if I draw stripes on one petal, I have to find the same petal on the other flower. I can't draw stripes over here. I would have to add stripes to that petal. I drew it on that petal, so I'm going to do the top petal on this flower. And I'm going to make the same number of stripes. I did 1, 2, 3, 4. I want it to look exactly the same, right? I cannot wait to see your flowers. I bet you drew so beautifully. You colored so beautifully on there. When you are, if you need more time coloring your flowers, pause this video and finish up your flowers. Your next video, I'm all done though, so I'm going to keep going. The next video is going to be Mrs. Arwood's lesson video talking about sorting pictures into different categories. Watch as much of that as you need to get the concept, and then we will be back for another video to work on our workbook pages together. Okay?